Now, Coldplay's Nothing might be best known for its chunky disco phones, but in its short existence it's also pumped out a fair few earbuds. And its latest pair is something a wee bit different. The Nothing Ear Open is, as the name heavily hints, a set of open ear buds that settle on your lugs and keep you aware of your surroundings as you enjoy a spot of Yaz in the plastic population, or whatever it is that kids are actually into these days. So let's whip them out of the box. I'm going to give them a good old testing for a couple of days and then let you know what I reckon. And for more on the latest and greatest tech, please do plug subscribe and ding that notifications bell. Cheers! So inside that box we've got, of course, the Nothing Ear Open, safety and warranty information, ooh, and a teeny tiny USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. That's absolutely everything you get chucked in the box, nice and easy. Now, the Nothing Ear Open case may not be particularly girthy, but it more than makes up for that in length, for now. However, it will quite happily slip into any trouserial pocket without a struggle, as ably demonstrated with the obligatory crotch shot. And of course, you've got Nothing's iconic transparent design, so the case lid is completely see-through, as are the buds themselves. Of course, got that little bit of Nothing branding on there, and the right bud is marked out with a red spot so you don't get them mixed up. And the Nothing Ear Open buds are held in place with the flexible silicone ear hooks. They might take a little bit of getting used to if you haven't used open ear buds before. I found I adjusted to them pretty quick, they're not too fiddly. And of course, you don't actually have any silicone tip lodged inside of your lug holes. 0 holes filled. Sounds like the worst porno ever made. And the open earbuds only actually weigh about 8 grams each, so even if you've got them locked onto your lugs for several hours at a time, they're super comfortable to wear. And they actually hold on there pretty securely as well, despite the fact that there's nothing actually lodged in you. And just to prove a point, mosh test! Just wait for the blood to clear from my vision. Oh, and these buds are also IP54 dust and splash resistant, so fine for a bit of inclement weather or if you're getting a bit sweaty down the gym, but don't go dunking them in water, taking them swimming or anything like that. They won't like it very much at all. Now, when you pair up the Nothing Ear Open with your smartphone, you'll want to download the Nothing X app, especially if you don't have a Nothing phone, as you'll be missing out on some of the key controls, not to mention some of the most important features. So, for instance, you can turn on the likes of low lag mode, which is definitely worth doing if you're going to be doing a bit of gaming. Because it's modern Bluetooth, you can pair up with a couple of devices at once and manage them here in the app. You've also got a Find My Earbuds feature, so if you've lost one, you can trigger a sound and then have a bit of a scout around under your sofa and wherever else they may have wandered off to. You can also update the firmware in here, and you do have a quick bit of tips and tricks action, quite handy if you're new to these buds. And Nothing has also chucked in an equalizer, so you can tweak the audio output. The simple equalizer will suit most people. This allows you to boost the bass or the treble, get a vocal mode on the go. Otherwise, you can drag out these wee sliders here, suit your own personal preferences. Otherwise, if you really want to go to town, just give advanced a poke and you've got full-on equalizer action on the go in there. And then last up, you can also tweak the pinch controls as well. So you can define the double pinch, the triple pinch, pinch and hold, and double pinch and hold for both the left and the right buds individually. Now these are very easy to get to grips with. The bits that you pinch are just the actual buds themselves. You do get a bit of oral feedback as well, so you know when you've done it right. A single pinch of either the left or the right bud will pause and resume your music. I've got it set up so a double pinch of the left one will send you back a track, whereas a double pinch of the right bud will skip you forward a track. Then I can pinch and hold the right bud to raise the volume, and then pinch and hold the left bud to bump it back down again. As I say, super easy to get to grips with and just works perfectly. Oh, and you do also have ChatGPT support here on the Nothing Ear Open buds, but only if they're paired up with a Nothing phone. Now, of course, you don't have any buds actually stuffed in your ears here. What you've got is directional speakers which spaff audio directly into your lugs from the outside. And this works a charm. That audio comes through loud and clear. I never found I had to fiddle around with the buds to get the speakers aiming in just the right direction or anything. They just fell into place automatically every time. And you've got a special sound seal system designed by Nothing here as well to help prevent excessive leakage, which which is certainly a concern when you hit your 40s like I have. And you've also apparently got rear acoustic ports slapped on both of these buds, which pump out reverse sound waves to further help dampen that noise. So thankfully, if you are sat next to someone in a cafe, for instance, they'll only hear the tiniest tinny little bit of noise leaking out from these buds. So for instance, I'm now playing some really bassy metal music, and I'm just going to hold up the mic right next to the bud there. And as you can hear, not much leakage at all. Of course, the only problem really with this open ear approach is the fact that you've got absolutely no noise cancellation or isolation at all. So if you are merely strolling your way down a busy high street, for instance, trying to listen to your podcast or audiobook, you will have to jack that volume all the way up, otherwise you ain't hearing jack shit over all that background bollockry. And on the flip side, you absolutely will hear that double-decker bus that's screaming its way towards you as you're jogging across the road without bothering to look to see if there's anything actually coming. So yeah, you might struggle to hear every last word in your podcast, but at least you won't be the equivalent of tarmac mush. The nothing ear open buds would also be perfect for enjoying a bit of music privately in the workspace without like completely blanking out your colleagues if they're trying to chat at you. Depends how much you like your colleagues, I guess. I find I can also enjoy a good bit of metal music while editing video. I can still hear everything that's going on. It's all great. What about the actual audio quality though? Well, you've only got support for the basic AAC and SBC codecs here. There's no LDAC action, for instance, which would be a bit excessive to be fair for open ear buds. And apparently nothing specially redesigned the drivers in these buds to really emphasize the lows. And I've got to say, it's surprisingly effective. The bass you get out of these things is pretty bloody good. Some of the best I've heard out of any open ear earbuds. You know, don't get me wrong, it's not exactly going to set your teeth a-rattling or anything like that. Certainly rock music, dance music's got a real bit of oomph to it. Although admittedly, knocking on the bass enhance feature in the Nothing X app doesn't really seem to do much of anything. But the mids and the highs haven't been forgotten as well. You've got pretty decent clarity across the range, again for a pair of open ear buds. So overall, top-notch stuff. And the Nothing Ear Open buds boast a dual microphone setup, which I'm recording on right now. Plus, of course, you've got Nothing's classy clear voice tech back on board. So, for instance, I'm now playing a lot of traffic noise in the background to simulate being in a very, very busy, noisy, rowdy high street with lots of incredibly pissed off drivers. And as you can hear, my voice still coming through nice and clear. And the Nothing Ear Opens also impress when it comes to the battery life, because you get roughly 7 to 8 hours of full playback on a single charge before the earbuds need to be ripped off and whipped back into that case to charge back up. And also you'll get close to 3 full recharges from this rather mighty case before it itself also needs powering back up via a bit of Type-C action. Doesn't seem to be any wireless charging support for the case, or certainly it did not play nicely with my phone when I tried doing a bit of reverse wireless charging, but hey ho. And there you have it, my lovelies. That in a tasty wee nutshell is the fresh new Nothing Ear Open ear buds. Now, they're not going to be great if you do a lot of traveling. So for instance, if you find yourself on trains and planes, because you're going to get all of that awful background screeching and noise, and it's just not going to be very peaceful at all. But if you're looking for something to use in the workplace, in cafes, and just around and about the house, and of course, if you're going to the gym or jogging or something like that, where a bit of environmental awareness is always a good thing, then gotta say, pretty solid quality in these things, decent battery life, and of course that lovely, slick Nothing design as always. So that's what I reckon anyway. It'd be great to hear your thoughts on the Nothing Ear Open down in the comments below. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone. Love you.